아니 된 장세 지하다 몸부치 차려 소장 가주되니 매장 부르조가 또 매장 부르 먹는 거니 가르치고 있으나 자는 선생 시집이라야 가주 버자님이 의미는 제가 다다 가주 버자 숨이 그 줄에 공정조제안에 노로치세네 목셔야 지대에 내가서 자민이라야 개별 요비 그 수지지 바송다네 된 건지 요비 돈에네 노로치셔야 지다 아니 전에 시집이 고주비가 다다 자나가 공가당 그 전세 그 수지 나고디 올이야 나로서 벤제로 뭐지도 저게 댄세 될래로 뭐지 남반이 주비가 차세 좀봐 동네디 바지 동콘으로 여와서 자 되게 돼 공정으로 도로 지에서 쉬야지 다른 노지가 되니 맞아 변호래야 보고 자도 숨지지 어려운 메시지를 열에 되게 도마디 자나게 전세 그 수지 나고디 올이야 아니 아치 우르편이 타스네 소 동부분 tuktoyore dedele to jana ke chenze ke suje de koyo to ya to chenze ke suje de jawa to ya to ani tala mo jinga to peno ya maji gorong da tanju gorong da rondu gorong so zambile chinzo de to kondos de de ale tari
Chinese Secretary General of the Communist Party to stop this violation of human rights, to stop tortures, to stop crime against humanity, to start the dialogue. Like the Dalai Lama asked for a dialogue, he asked for a middle way, he asked for human rights, for respect of culture and identity.
Parliament from Estonia. The floor is yours, Tunne.
Dear Tibetan and Uyghur friends, thank you for coming out in such numbers and with such a convincing message. I represent Estonia, a small country, and I've come here to express my solidarity with all small nations having long cultural traditions. Estonia was occupied by the Soviet Union for 50 years, and we experienced the same situation as Tibetans. We were about to become minority in our own land because of forced industrialization and Russification.
A member of the Belgian Chamber of Representatives.
Thank you very much. Hello, good morning, everybody. I will speak in French, so that all who do not understand English could also get a few words of this demonstration. Je dois d'abord dire que je suis toujours très heureux, très impressionné de participer à une manifestation des Tibétains et des démocrates chinois. C'est une manifestation qui est toujours très digne, très exemplaire, qui est très loin des clichés que certains veulent en donner. Je veux surtout dire que nos dirigeants européens, et c'est ça que je suis venu dire ici aujourd'hui, nos dirigeants belges et européens auraient tort de ne pas engager la Chine sur la question des droits de l'homme, sur les questions environnementales et sur les questions sociales. Parce que l'autoritarisme chinois réprime non seulement les démocrates chinois, les Ouïghours, les Tibétains, mais on le sait, et la Chine n'en fait pas mystère.
Today is politically significant because Chinese President Xi is meeting with the European Parliament President Scholz. The visit of a president of a country with a larger number of death penalties than the rest of the world combined, and which maintains range of forced labour camps and other means of repression, should not be welcomed in the EU bodies, which jointly received the 2012 Nobel Peace Prize for the promotion of human rights and democracy. Tibet, in the words of his holy
40 incidents sanglants ont frappé le peuple ouïghour au Turkestan oriental, également connu sous le nom de région autonome ouïghour Xinjiang. Ces incidents sanglants
four names of Chinese political prisoners from a long and very long list. I ask you strongly to release them. That is Gao Zhishen, as one of the best lawyers of China and human rights defenders.
Long live Xi Jinping!
Stop the dialogue!
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 EU leaders!
Wake up, wake up!
EU leaders!
Wake up, wake up!
EU leaders!
Wake up, wake up!
Long live! Long live! No women rights!
In Tibet! In Uyghur!
No women rights!
In Tibet!
In East Turkestan!
Xi Jinping!
Stop the devil!
Xi Jinping!
Stop the devil!
Xi Jinping!
Stop the devil!
EU leaders!
Wake up, wake up!
EU leaders!
Wake up, wake up!
EU leaders!
Wake up, wake up!
Long live! Long live! No human right!
In Tibet! In Uyghur!
No human right!
In Tibet!
In Pakistan! No human right! Long live! Long live! Xi Jinping! Xi Jinping! Xi Jinping! Xi Jinping! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! 양조 백대마 찹시게 된다 루땅네 아니 파게를 들리지 쇼데네 디노네 레와티 실로를 쇼도 베리 뺀다 뜻이게 마츠르게 렌데 마츠르게 무유 마츠르게 땅에 동해데 실로를 베리 뺀다 뜻이게 잠빌레기 자치 토라 아니 동해 땅에 시야데 용구레 용고 치세데
Kurtuluş yolunda sudak aktı bizning kanımız. Sen üçün ey yurtımız bolsun pida bu canımız. Sen üçün ey yurtımız bolsun pida bu canımız. Kan keçip hem can verip ahır kutulduk senin. Kan keçip hem can...
Mama sempa nanta Randu kono jubile la matun pemi Lani ye Pala jibini mashawe Ushik chunga Confident history Fire recounting the ups and downs Fire creating the future Bloom of the fire Combustion of the flames Hard to disappear from the eyesight Even more hard to disappear.
The following program, we have a song here, sung by Tibetan singers in Tibet. One of the singers in this song, Tenzin from Sukma in Nanchen, was detained in February 2012 and later sentenced to 2 years in prison following the release of his album An Unending Flows of My Heart's Blood, which contains some songs dedicated to His Holiness the Dalai Lama, as well as Karma Lama and the exiled Prime Minister Mr. Lobsang Sangye. Sources claim that Ugyen was beaten in custody and is of very poor health. He was recovering from surgery prior to his detention, and the tortures has worsened his conditions. None of his friends and relatives are allowed to reach him. I would briefly translate the lyrics of the song in English. If not covered by the black cloud, the golden yellow sun will cover the land with warmth and happiness. The rays of light will emanate in Tibet. If there will be no red oppressive rules, the righteous and good laws will maintain the land with peace. Freedom will return to Tibet. If there will be ethnic solidarity, the living spirit of our culture establishing this land of Dharma will make the red-cheeked nation flourish. If there will be love of unity among the Tibetan diaspora, home and abroad, waiting for the day of reunion, will regain the land of the 3 provinces. So I will play the song